What up, family? Back at it, back at it. Wingstop has a new chicken sandwich. Gotta check it out. I know they had their thighs before, but I didn't find them, so I was gonna do a review on that. But this is just me going through online, looking up the Wingstop and order the food through their app. So as you see, they got all kind of flavors for the actual crispy chicken fillet that they use. Chicken sandwich is around $5 as change. The whole combo is only like $7.99. So I went ahead and ordered the whole combo. I chose the vegetables instead of the fries. So we're gonna give them a taste and see what we got. There you go, $5.49 just for the sandwich. And 24 minutes, all paid for, $7.99 total plus tax. There you go.
Big guy, watch out. They gon' feel us when we roll. They call them big guy, and we be putting.
All right, guys, guess who put their hat into the chicken sandwich space? So here we go. Let's go check them out. Oh, our new chicken sandwich. Let's get it. Ooh, how you doing? It's a nice place. This is it. Got it. Yeah, you gotta get that drink. Wow, what this thing is so long. Mid ginger ale. Cherry. Alright guys, here we are. The bag is secured. Alright, so as you saw, I did order online. And I went ahead and got, of course, this should be the sandwich. And this should be, here we go. I went ahead and got vegetables. So I didn't want to cheat too bad. I got vegetables, so not sure why they didn't put the vegetables in something like this instead of that, but there's the vegetables that I got with the ranch dip. And I also got, of course, the chicken sandwich from Wingstop. I got the Louisiana rub, even though you can get as many flavors as you like. But this is the actual sandwich. Nice brioche bun. Nice and fresh too. It's probably the most perfect I've seen a bun. Pickles and the fillet. Okay. And under it is just that. So you got pickles, the fillet, and the chicken breast itself has whatever flavor that you choose on. But I don't think they put any flavoring on the chicken, so it is what it is, you know. But I'm gonna taste it and find out. But this is basically your Wingstop chicken sandwich. It's only in a few locations, and I was just lucky enough to have it in my location. So let's check it out. All right, so here we are. I don't know, Popeyes. He may have a new Chicken King in town. This thing is good. Oh my goodness, the breast is so tender. It's crispy. It kind of reminds me of the McDonald's crispy chicken sandwich. It's really good. This is really, really good. The flavor is perfect. If I were you, if you was to try, I would get the original first, just to see. This was supposed to be the Louisiana rub on it, but I don't think they put it on here. Yeah, I don't think it's on here, but if it is, it's absolutely perfect. Absolutely perfect. Absolutely perfect. This is a really good sandwich. It's a solid sandwich. Flavoring is really good. It's not as thick or big as the other chicken sandwiches like the Popeyes and things like that, but this is more probably comparable to the McDonald's crispy chicken sandwich, which is really good. So price-wise, feel right in range. By itself, it was like $5.99 just for the sandwich itself. But with the combo was only $7.99, so I suggest getting the combo. And you can get fries with your combo. So I did get a little soda, a little ginger ale, and of course my vegetables here. And that's gonna suffice me. So you guys know this thing is good. Nothing to it. It's just a chicken sandwich, but the flavor of the chicken fillet is really good. It really, really is. Really impressed. Really impressed. This thing is bomb. Really good. Right, guys, that's it. Quick and easy video. Quick. Wingstop has a new chicken sandwich. It's the bomb plus some. You can have it in any flavor that you want. The same flavors that they offer with their chicken wings. You can also put that chicken breast that they cook crispy, nice and flavorful the same way. So the good thing is the original, the chicken breast has really good flavor. I got the Louisiana rub, but for some reason I don't think the rub was on there, but I was still happy with it. So go check it out. So again, another video. Thank you guys for rocking with your boy. If you're here for the first time, please decide to join the family. Please do. We love to have you. So like and subscribe. And I'm seeing my beautiful people next time. Peace.